I am in trouble, people. I made a terrible mistake. Good morning, everybody, from my little cabin. I slept like a baby today, but unfortunately it's raining, and I'm afraid it's gonna be like that all day. Let's make some breakfast, people. So this is my breakfast. I make myself an eggs. I have sandwiches, I have a paprika, and I have my tea, of course. So yeah, bon appetit. Yeah, the media mode, bloody media mode in the bloody GoPro 10, it's not working. And I don't know how long it's not working, so probably I won't have good sound in the videos. And I'm really pissed off. Come on. So much preparation, so much work, and the thing is not working. So the weather cleared up. I have a sunshine, but the rain is still coming, so I have to go now. The bloody media mode on this GoPro doesn't work, so I don't know how it's gonna be with sound recording. Probably shit. But yeah. What can I do? I don't think I'm gonna buy GoPros anymore. It's just terrible. GoPro selling the stuff that doesn't work, so no thank you. Okay, for now, let's go. Very lovely, very quiet place. Yeah, just a short break and I'm going direction Lysebotn. I have about 100 kilometers. Now I'm trying to fix the bloody GoPro. Oh, that's gonna be painful. Okay, let's go. my third mountain pass in the last 3 days. But this one is just for me. I'm all alone here. Nobody. Here we are, Lysebotn. Third one. Let's go. I'm on the little road to Lysebotn, and it's fantastic. Look at the views. It's a little bit windy here and quite cold today, but come on, it's worth it for the views. Seriously. Look at these rocks. They're stunning. They're really stunning. Just look at this formation there. It's a shame that I can't get the bike here. Look at that. It's an old road. It's completely empty. I could have made such a nice pictures. Yeah. It's too heavy. I don't want to risk here. But look at that. This is all stunning. Norway really is an incredible place. Wherever you go, behind every corner you have something nice, something amazing. I like it. I was fast approaching Lysebotn and its famous twisties. The road, which has 27 hairpin turns and a tunnel and leads to the very bottom of Lysefjord. The road so picturesque that when I first saw the photos of this place, I immediately knew that one day I would go there. Today was that day. Unfortunately, the weather had other plans, and my ride along the dream road did not look as picturesque as in the photos. Anyway, the weather is pretty bad, so okay guys, so Lysebotn twisties, here we come. we are down. So Lysebotn twist is done. After 27 hairpin turns in the pouring rain, I entered Lysebotn. And then it turned out that I made a terrible mistake. When I was looking at the map the day before, I thought there was 2 roads leading to Lysebotn. And I planned to enter Lysebotn by an amazing road with twisties and live on the other side. But once I got here, I realized this is the only land way to Lysebotn. The other option was the ferry, so I knew I made a mistake and I would have to come back with the same way. As if that wasn't enough, it turned out there is not a single gas station in Lysebotn, and the fuel level in my tank was quite low. I didn't do my homework at all that day. Okay, I'm officially in trouble. I have to go back. I am in trouble, people. I made a terrible mistake. I thought I'm gonna ride. Yeah. There is no way out from here except for the ferry or back up there. Oh shit. Okay, my phone is getting crazy from all the water. Okay, I gotta go because it's a lot of riding. I had perfect plan to eat my cinnamon bun with coffee. There's no coffee and I'm hungry. I am gonna get wet again. It was late, I was cold, and to be honest, I didn't feel like going further. So I decided that I would look for accommodation. Unfortunately, even that turned out to be problematic. Okay, I found something, but it's a bloody caravan. It's not the best, but I can't find anything else. Yeah, it's far away from perfect, but it has to be enough for today. Change of plans. I'm not gonna stay in the bloody camper. The campers stink so badly. I just said no way. So I rode a few kilometers more and I found this. It's much better. I have a bed, I have sofa, something to cook, fridge. It's not perfect, it's not high luxury, but it's 300% better than the bloody caravan. It was so stinky, I just couldn't stay there more than 5 minutes and I was sick actually. So this is better, doesn't stink. It's a little bit more expensive, but yeah, it's better to pay a few euros more and sleep as a human being. So now the plan for tomorrow. I have booked a ferry from Kristiansand to Denmark Friday early morning. So I have to ride tomorrow direction Kristiansand, and I still need to find a place to stay for the night, but the place where I can very early leave. And the problem is Kristiansand, it's incredibly expensive. Everything is expensive there. The cheapest what I have found is as a room 97 euros. Otherwise it's about 150, 200 until 800 euro for one night. Come on, it's crazy.